Have you ever looked at a dog and suddenly wondered what is the actually going on inside the fluffy little brain? Because honestly, dogs are some of the weirdest and funniest creature on the earth. One minute they act super smart and the next minute they get scared of a cucumber lying on the floor. Welcome back to the Dog Points, the home of fun, cute, and completely crazy dog movements. Now imagine this, your dog is sleeping peacefully like an angel. Everything is calm, the house is quiet, and then suddenly, boom, your dog jump up barking at absolutely nothing. No robber, no ghost, no danger, just invisible drama. Dog somehow hear sounds for another universe. The human cannot be here. Sometimes they bark at the window, sometimes at shadow, and sometimes they bark because another dog barks. Three streets away, basically a neighborhood meeting nobody asked for. And let's talk about how dramatic dogs are. When they want food, dogs can smell snakes from impossible distance. You could quietly open one packet of chip at 2 a.m. in another room, and somehow dogs appear beside you within 3 seconds like a ninja. They do not talk normally either. They slowly come closer with the giant emotional eye that say, "Please, human, I have eaten in 47 years." Meanwhile, they literally finished dinner 10 minutes ago. But the funniest thing, dogs become professionally actors when they want treat. Some sit politely, some give paw, some tilt their head sideways to look extra cute, and some just stare at you without blinking until you feel guilty enough to share your food. Honestly, dogs understand human emotions better than human themselves. And why do dogs always get excited at the weirdest moment? You accidentally say the word walk quietly in the conversation, and suddenly your dog loses control, tail spinning, jumping everywhere, jumping in the circles like they just won the lottery. Even if you were not actually talking them outside, now you have to because the excitement level already reached maximum power. But the bath time, completely different story. The same brave dog suddenly becomes the fastest runner alive. The second they hear water sounds, they disappear under the bed, behind the sofa, into another dimension. It's honestly amazing how quickly dogs can escape when they hear the word bath. But after the bath, oh, now they become crazy, running around the house at the full speed, robbing themselves on another possible carpet, rub couches, rub clean clothes, perfect place to destroy. And have you noticed dogs always chooses the worst possible place to sit? You clean the whole room nicely and your dog immediately sit in the extra middle where everybody walk, or they street their body across the hallway like a furry roadblock. Then the look annoyed when you try to pass. Dogs are always secretly very competitive. If one dog get attention, the other dog suddenly appear like a "Excuse me, where is my love?" Even if they were sleeping peacefully 2 seconds ago, suddenly they need affection immediately. Dogs truly cannot handle missing out on attention. And mirrors completely confuse dogs. Some dogs bark at their reflection like they discovered a new anime. Some get scared and some stare into the mirror dramatically like they are questioning life choices. Imagine being shocked by your own face every single day. But nothing is funnier than dog trying to act dangerous. Tiny little dog weighing less than a watermelon will bark like a giant wolves protecting a kingdom. Meanwhile, big dogs sometimes get scared by balloon, butterflies, or teeny kitchens. Dogs truly have the most confusing personalities ever, and do not even get me started on dog zombies. Scientists can explain many things, but nobody fully understand why dogs suddenly run around like crazy for no reason. 1 second claim, next second speed mode activated around the table, across the bed, sliding on the floor. They suddenly stop and starting at you with wild eyes like they are just remembered toxics excited, and dogs love stealing things. Socks disappear mysteriously, slippery vanish, tissues get destroyed, and when you finally catches the criminal, they immediately run away holding the stolen item proudly like a trophy. Some dogs do not even want to the object, they just enjoy the drama of being crash around the house. Another hilarious thing is how dogs react to doorbells. Most dogs behave like a FBI arrived at the house, barking loudly, running everywhere, full emergency mode. Then, when the guest finally enters, suddenly the same dog become best friends them in 10 seconds. But honestly, this is why people love dogs so much. They turn normal boring day into the comedy show. Even when they are created chases, somehow you still end up laughing on one face, funny face, on silky reaction, on happy tail wag, and suddenly the whole mood changes. Dogs are not just pets; they are fluffy little entertainer sent to make life less boring. And trust me, today video is only getting started because the funny movements ahead are even crazier, cuter, and more unbelievable than you can imagine. So stay ready because on the dog points things are about to get hilarious or out of the control. Dogs may look have something, but deep inside, many of them are absolutely drama queens. Seriously, some dogs act like a fearless superhero outside the house, but they suddenly get terrified by the most harmless thing ever created. Welcome back to Dog Points, where dog prove every single day that being cute and being smart are not always the same thing. Now, let being with one of the funniest mysteries on the earth, why dogs scared of random objects. Imagine being a powerful enemy with a sharpened teeth, strong legs, and super hearing, but the losing your mind because a plastic bag moved slightly in the window. Some dogs see a vacuum cleaner and react like an alien invasion just started, barking, running, jumping on Fortuner, uh, warning the whole family like they are saving humanity. Meanwhile, the vacuum is just standing there minding its business. And do not even mention balloons. Oh, balloons are a different level of horror for some dogs. One teeny ball floating quietly in a room, and suddenly your dog become a secret agent trying to survey danger. They stare it is carefully for fear away like it might explode and destroy the universe. But the funniest thing, every dog getting scared of cucumbers. Yes,